Hey, we've got a formula here and it says solve for y, and the equation is 7x plus 2y equals 8. So first thing I'm going to do is make sure I know where that y is, because the whole point is to use my solving techniques to get that y by itself. So I need to get things away from the y term. I mean, there's no fractions, there's no parentheses, so I can go ahead and start moving things. So I've got 2y on the right hand side, so let's get rid of the 7x. So we'll subtract that from both sides. And then we will have 2y equals 8 minus 7x. You can change the order there if you like. But then you want to get y completely by itself, so we'll divide everything by 2, either both sides or every term, however you want to look at it. So that reduces down to y equals 4 minus 7/2 x. So we did get the y completely by itself. Okay. Thank you.